Good morning, everyone. Today we again start our virtual class. Okay, so today's topic is GK. Everybody know that, and most probably today today is 10th. Yes, today is the 10th May 2021. Day is Monday, and today's subject is GK. Today we have to discuss the winner it all, page number 9. Next page, page number 10, green days. Page number 11, mind bogglers. And page number 12, safety first. And also a good citizen. So today we have to discuss it. Everybody open page number 9. Everybody open page number 9. Write the names of the sports with which the following cups and the trophies are associated. The shadows provide the clues. Choose from the option. The chapter name is The Winner Takes It All. First one, Lord Derby Cup. First one is Lord Derby Cup. Yes, everybody guess that? That is the rugby. Rugby or American football. The two names of this game. That is first one, everybody know that is rugby, and his nickname is American football. Second one, Ezra Cup. Ezra Cup. That is, everybody know that? Yeah, that is polo. Yes, that is polo. Third one, Reader Cup. Reader Cup. That is golf. Everybody note down the golf. Number 4, tennis. Number 4, tennis. It is a Davis Cup. Yes, it is a Davis Cup. Davis Cup is including the tennis. Next one, the 5. That is the Ashes. The Ashes is cricket. And last one, FIFA World Cup. Everybody know that is football. So we have to cover the winner takes it all. Now go to the next page. Green days. Everybody open page number 10. Green days. People celebrate the different elements of the environment on different days. Read about some such days. International Polar Bear Day. International Polar Bear Day, that is 27th February. Second one, World Water Day, that is 22nd March. Earth Day, that is 22nd April. World Environment Day, that is 5th June. International Tiger Day, that is 29th July. World Elephant Day, that is 12th August. World Car Free Day, that is 22nd September. World Food Day, that is 16th October. World Fisheries Day, that is 21st November. And World Soil Day, that is 5th December. That all the days are very green days. We have to discuss it. The first Earth Day was celebrated in the United States in 1970. It was the first celebrated internationally in 1990. The United Nations renamed the day as the International Mother Earth Day in 2009. Okay. Now, next chapter is mind bogglers. Mind bogglers. Option, first section, that is A, write the missing number. Write out the missing number. Everybody guess it at first. Nobody guess it. I think somebody will guess it. Yeah, that is the 36. Yes, that is the 36. The missing number is 36. Next one, B. Tick the odd one out. Tick the odd one out. 1A or B or option C or option D. Which one is odd? That is B. B is odd. So put it in a tick in a box. Number 2. A, option B, option C and option D. Which one is odd? That is D. Put it the tick mark in the box. Now C. Solve the following. Number 1. Deepak starts walking from his house. Deepak starts walking from his house. He goes 5 kilometers towards the east. Then he turns to his left and goes to 4 kilometers. He turned to his left again and goes 5 kilometers. How far is he from his house and what direction? In what direction? You have to calculating this, then I told you. I repeat again, Deepak starts walking from his house. He goes 5 kilometers towards the east. Then he turns to his left and goes to 4 kilometers. He turns to his left again and goes to 5 kilometers. How far is he from his house? And in what direction? Anybody, any guess? It is 4 kilometers. Answer is 4 kilometers. And what is the direction? That is north. That is the north. So number 1 is solved. Number 2. There are 3 people. One goes to work by car, one goes on his bicycle, and one by bus. Mr. Sharma does not go by car. The one who goes by bus is not Mr. Gupta, Miss Gupta. And Miss Gupta also does not go by car. The third person is Mr. Singh. So, there is 3 questions. Who goes by car? Who goes by bus? And who goes on a bicycle? 3 questions. You have to find it out. Option A, that is Mr. Singh. You have to write it. Option A, that is Mr. Singh. Option B, Mr. Sharma. And option C, that is Miss Gupta. I repeat again. Option A, that is Mr. Singh. Option B, that is Mr. Sharma. And option C is Miss Gupta. Write it. I repeat once again. Option A, who goes by car, that is Mr. Singh. Number B, who goes by bus, that is Mr. Sharma. And who goes on a bicycle, option C, that is Miss Gupta. Okay. Now next page, that is 12. Safety first. Write S for situation that for safe and U for the situation that are unsafe. I repeat again. Write S for situation that are safe and U for the situation that are unsafe. Number 1. You are playing in the park. A stranger tries to be a friend you and offers you a sweet. You thank the stranger and accept the sweet because it is important to be polite. Definitely it is safe. I repeat again. You are playing in the park. A stranger tries to be a friend to you and offers you a sweet. You thank the stranger and accept the sweet because it is important to be polite. That is safe. So you put U. No. Sorry. U for the unsafe. S for safe. that is not safe for you, because you are the polite to this stranger, but if there something you have to use in this sweet, and if you eat this sweet, that is very dangerous for you. Okay, so this is not safe, so you put you. Number 2, you are suffering from a severe cold and cough. You are suffering from a severe cold and cough. You want to go to school, however, you listen to your parents, take medicine and rest at home. That is the safe. You put S. You are suffering from a severe cold and cough. You want to go to school, however, you listen to your parents, take medicine and rest at its home. That is the safe. So you put S. Number 3, you are in your room when an earthquake occurs. You run out of the room and take the elevator to the ground floor. That is unsafe. Totally unsafe. You are in your room when an earthquake occurs. You run out on the room and take the elevator to the ground floor. That is definitely unsafe. You put U. Next one, number 4. You return home after playing in the park. Your father has prepared an evening snacks. You wash your hands properly with soap and water before eating. Perfectly alright, and it is safe. Number 5. You are visiting your friend who has a pet cat. You tease the cat and force it to play with you. That is totally unsafe. If the cat is become rigid and angry, then she will bite on your hands or anything else. So that is totally unsafe. Totally unsafe. So today we have to cover the first one is the winner takes it all. Second one is green days. Third one is mind blogger. And fourth one is safety first. The fourth chapter we have to cover it. You have to practice in your home. If you any problem, any doubt, tell me. I have to rectify your problem. Okay. So today is for that. Till then, bye bye.